Let me be honest with you guys that I made $165 with Hostinger in last 30 days. And because I wanted to be honest and transparent with you guys on what I'm doing, is I was able to make this earning through my YouTube channel on which you are watching this video. So how I made $165 in a month, and earning proof I will show you live in this video. First, let me show you my earning proof of earning with Hostinger. Okay, I'm not lying at all. I actually earn, and you can see over here that this is my $165.9 I earned from hosting it. Now you must be questioning that I have edited the page, and because in case if you edit the page through source code, you can write anything. So let me do a live refresh over here. Okay, and you can see that this is a 2nd October. So from 2nd September till 2nd October I'm applying it over here. So you can see that the earning is over here, $165.9 I earned through hosting it. And let me show you my dashboard as well, so you are not that sure that I'm actually earning. So you can see that this is my earning level, $165. Now the question is how I am earning, how I earn that income through my YouTube channel. So how I am earning through Hostinger from my YouTube channel. So in case if you don't know that I almost try to do daily vlogs, but I'm not but at least you get 5 new videos every week from me on my YouTube channel. So I create regular videos regarding marketing tutorials, SEO tutorials, digital marketing tutorials, Google Ads tutorial, Facebook ads, YouTube or digital marketing, or whatever is being covered, or whatever is in my mind. So I can be versatile sometimes, and I can diversify and come with something different. But the question is how I'm earning from my YouTube channel. Let me show you live. So let me open my YouTube channel in front of you guys. So you can see this is my channel, and you can see that I try to recommend that link in my description section as well. I have also created a dedicated video. I have created 2 videos on Hostinger. I will also show you. Okay, so firstly, whenever I create a new video like this video, no not in this, but rather you can see like this video, you can see that I'm not spamming, but see that like in this video I have discussed about the hosting I used. So I'm using the affiliate referral link over here for Hostinger, and whenever someone buys from my link I earn an income. So I'm using their affiliate link on my videos, and also in my pinned comments where I discuss some of the products I use, and that is how I earn. I also created 2 dedicated videos on Hostinger. One is regarding their coupon code, Hostinger coupon codes, which I found while working online, and I'm using the Hostinger link for people to buy hosting from Hostinger. And I also did a Hostinger review where I discussed about the cons and pros, because I personally used it for one of my blog, and I shared my honest experience regarding how is Hostinger, what are the cons and pros of the Hostinger, and then eventually in the end I also suggested in case if you want to buy Hostinger, you can buy from my link and you will also get discounts. So you can see the link over here. So I have also pinned a comment for one of the finest and cheapest web hosting, and I'm also added a link over here, and that is how people are able to buy through my link, and that is how I am earning money through Hostinger. Okay, this is the one program, because I am also recommending many products, many programs, and I've been earning through these programs. And my channel is not actually old, and it's actually at the beginning. And although I have now more than 100 videos on my channel, but my videos are not much about hosting, but rather about Google ads, SEO ads, tutorials. So you can see that it also depends what kind of videos I'm creating, because people creating more tutorials like how to create a website, how to host a website, how to upload a website. On videos like this you will get more signups, more conversions, and not much on my videos. But it also depends on from which country your traffic is coming, and where your prime audience of your channel is. That is also a cause of concern. And I'm not saying negatively, because I got some few conversions even from my own country as well, so I'm very happy with that. And in case if you wanna buy from my link, I will be again more than happy to do that, because that is how you guys are paying me back, because I put a lot of work in creating each and every video, and a lot of energy and monetary things are being invested on that. And I'm not actually able to earn back that through YouTube ads, because I do not have much higher views like big YouTubers. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to be consistent, and if I try to be consistent, I know that I will be able to multiply my earnings only with this the method that I need to be consistent with whatever I do. So I'm just trying to be consistent with it, and if I'm able to earn that $165 from Hostinger, why don't you, why can't you? So the people who are claiming that it is actually difficult to earn money online, is actually the problem is not in YouTube, the problem is not in the competition, but the problem is unfortunately in you. So you need to figure out what the problem is and how you can improve it. And then earning money online or earning from Hostinger is not difficult at all. I'm not just now saying it just now to copy and paste my method, but rather create your own twist, create your own version, and come up with something new, and you can earn money online. Let me be honest, earning money is not difficult at all. All you need to be is consistent, patient, and learn from your competitors, and that's all what matters sorry, for earning money online. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That's it from for this video. Thank you for watching it. In case if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. I will be waiting forward for your comments. And yes, I am saying it again and again, because major of my viewers are people who have not subscribed to my channel. Why guys you are not subscribing to my channel? I'm trying to provide value, and in case if you do not like, please suggest me with what should I create on, and I will further improve my content based on your suggestions. So thank you, so thanks, and bye bye.